Hi, it's Cindy Horstman. In this section, I would like to talk to you about using more interesting and more notes in improvising. In the last part, we talked about just playing the C and the G, and we were in the key of C. So now I want us to talk about playing scales. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, of course, is the scale in C major. So when you improvise, you can literally play the scale up and then back down. Or you can start on a different note and go back down and then go up. Then you could also play a scale and play the same notes over again, maybe another time, and then go back down. And you can incorporate octaves. Just some ideas on what to do. So let us practice together. I'll play 8 measures of improv, and then I'll accompany you, and you do 8 measures of improv. And the metronome is still on 60 with the subdivisions. So let's start with an intro. 1, 2, 3. C, C major 9, D minor 7. Here I go. Your turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My turn. Your turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My turn. Your turn. 1, 6, 7, 8. In with the C. Fun, right? It's sort of fun to experiment. So now let's try and use this scale-like pattern, but play intervals in the improv section. And I really like sixth on the harp. They sound so pretty. So let's use the interval of a 6. And see how it goes. I'm going to turn on the metronome again at 60. I'll play 8 measures and then you play 8 measures. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. Here we go. Your turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we end. How'd you do? That's a lot of fun, isn't it? And I find that with 6, you start hearing a melody on the upper note. So that can, in the scale-like pattern, it makes it a lot easier to do. So practice this, and hopefully this will expand your knowledge. And I'll see you in the next part. Thanks.